face lost all expression. Said if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold up, know when to hold up, know when to walk away, know when to
And we're looking for an overcast sky most of the day today with a 32 for the high, right at the freezing mark. Lows around 16, tad over freezing the next couple days. Thursday maybe 34, lows around 14 with northwest winds 10 to 15. Friday about the same, 34 for the high. The lows only 27 on Friday night, and the winds on the west at 5 to 10. Slight warming trend. Saturday could see some rain, possibly instead of snow. If we get the moisture during the day, it'll get up to 37, but we get a 50% chance getting about an inch of snow on Saturday night. Low 28, probably going to be some wet stuff. Shouldn't last too long, as it's going to be 34 on Sunday, 39 on Monday, and maybe the mid-40s by Tuesday. That'll be the first time in a long time we've been above the 40-degree mark. If it gets there, hasn't got to that day yet. Never seems to quite make it. Right now, around the state, still some light snow coming down over the Fargo area. Grand Forks at 29, 25. In Jamestown and Bismarck, 22 in Dickinson and Williston, and Garrison and Devils Lake at 21. Here in Minot, 23. The cold spot is the Air Force Base just north of town, about 19. We've got a cloudy sky, winds northwest at 9, pressure dropping 30.30, and humidity 92%. DOT road map still showing everything to the east of us on Highway 2 still slippery, and had a couple calls saying that between here and Granville the roads are pretty slippery, and farther to the west all the way to Tioga, past Granville to the east all the way just about to Devil's Lake, and 83 from the Canadian border down to Max. You're looking at snow-covered roads or some slight drifting, and you could have some patches of ice underneath that. And the in-town roads, until it starts warming up, all that slush is now ice, so it's a little slippery on the intersections there too. 8:19 the time. That was brought to you by Zimmerman's Furniture, downtown Minot. Here's the Eagles, Lion Eyes, KCJB.